precursor in which you cannot clearly see the component or ingredients. Example of uniform precursor are rubbing alcohol, seawater, and fruit. The juices. One type of uniform precursor is the solution. In a solution, the additive is developed and thoroughly mixed into the main components. The main component is called the solvent, usually in greater amount, while the dissolved additive is called the solute, open parenthesis, usually in lesser amount, close parenthesis. For example, in a solution consisting of 100 ml of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is the solute. Open parenthesis, the substance that is the dissolved. Close parenthesis. And the water is the solvent. Open parenthesis, the substance that is used to dissolve. Close parenthesis. Water is an example of solvent that dissolves many substances. This is why it is often referred to the universal solvent. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all.